Hey guys, this is Johnny streaming live from beautiful South Texas. I just wanted to do a quick update on our web build project here. This is my agency analytics dashboard. My clients generally see this with a customer login screen. As you can see, I've linked up Google Analytics like I mentioned in the last video. So now I have ranking information. I can see how much I'm moving in the search engine results. I can see I've got one hit in the 20s, the rest are in the 50s. I can see I'm starting to pull traffic. I got 4 sessions since we dropped the website last weekend. The audit looks good. That's minor stuff that doesn't apply. However, as you can see in here, I have yet to establish any domain authority, and I'm not getting any traffic, and I don't have any links pointed at the site. That's because we haven't started the SEO yet. So what we're going to do here is I already kind of broke my own rule, and generally what I recommend is building out the citations prior to establishing your Google identity. I went in backwards order and I did the Google first before even building the site, so it is possible, it's fine. Usually it's not an issue, but it just is usually easier if you have the citations done first, because then Google has something to substantiate the information you gave them with. So in this instance, I already went ahead and went into my Google account. This is the email. You just go there and Google Business Profile. All right. Went through the info section, filled out my primary header, my HVAC contractor. I set this as a service area because it's a lead generation site, which I'm going to be discussing in depth next Monday at 4 on our live. So with that being the case, we do not anchor a pin into a certain area. See, this is where I'm streaming from, this is where I live, and this is where this lead gen is anchored at. So we don't want to have a pin here. That's my house, not the business. The business is going to be operating throughout the entire valley area. So when you set it as a service area and plug in the names of the cities you service, it'll draw a big bubble around it, and that's what will show up on the maps. In fact, if we go to the website where I embedded it on the bottom, you can see the big bubble. Cool Air HVAC, 5-star, 1 review. Okay, so what we did was hit service area, plug in the name of the cities. You got your bubble on the map. Cool. Next, plug in hours, 9 to 5, Monday through Saturday. Cool. No weird additional hours or special hours. Doesn't really apply. Plugged in the phone number that's set to auto forward to the lead gen recipient, the client who is going to be receiving the calls off this. I have this number set up to auto forward to them so that anyone that calls this company, Cool Air, is going to automatically be talking to the client who's going to receive those calls and say either he is operating under the business name, like doing business as a DBA, or you could just say he's covering for them for a weekend. Okay, no big deal. Easy. Next, we plug in the URL for the website and our services. Now, you want to check your GMB pretty regularly. Sometimes they go ahead and they update these without saying anything. So you'll go in, you'll find a bunch of red ones. You just hit accept edits and they get added. So that works out nicely. Then we have a quick little blurb about us, and we've added some photos and reviews. So that being the case, let's check out our insights. We're already seeing things moving. Evidently, 51 people have seen us in the search, 12 have seen us in the maps. I went ahead and gave myself a good little review. That's the just to get things started, give it 1 review, and as customers come in, I'll automatically be emailing them to solicit more reviews. And in fact, I went ahead and also added this here, review us on Google. I believe I did a video on that. You click that and kablooey, you're right there. So you can leave a review super easy with 1 click. So that's what I'm going to be pointing future clients to. So we got our website up. We got Google Search Console attached. We got Google Analytics attached. We got Google Profile Manager attached. Now we're going to start the off-site SEO so that we can grow this bad boy and get some good ranking. And let's see, which keywords do we want to attack? That's where Google Search Console comes in handy. With Google Search Console, they'll tell you exactly what keywords you're coming up for and what position you're in for that keyword. So as you can see, this website, which is basically just a couple location pages, that's it. I haven't done anything else with it. And I'm already in position 28 for residential HVAC services in Edinburgh, Texas. And many more just south of that. All those location pages for Edinburgh, Brownville, McAllen, Alamo, they're all starting to come up, but they're all in the 30s plus. So these are going to continue to mature as the site sits there for a little while. They'll continue to come up, and once we start the offsite SEO, it'll really pump them, because we're going to be looking at these particular keywords and utilizing them in our blogs and in our citations and in our backlinks, all the little goodies that we like to do on our SEO projects. And in fact, for the citations that I'm going to be starting, I'm going to take my own medicine. I've mentioned a couple times in these videos, we have a done-for-you service that includes 300 citations, all unique, all authentic, all made by hand. And what we do with those is build them all out with unique keywords built into the content specific to that particular location, and then we just hit the button to index them, and Google will start seeing multiple links all pointing back to me, flagging these keywords so that we can bump these keywords up. So I'll probably wait about a week, let it do that, do a little bit of that, then we'll check back on it and see how much of a bump we've gotten from our average position of 70 and average impressions of 53. So next time, we'll see where we're at. See you next week. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Bye.